Welcome back to in this Digistore affiliate marketing tutorials. Before we start our videos, subscribe and click the like button. Let us start our video. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is selling someone's product and get a commissions. To start affiliate marketing, we have to join affiliate networks. A lot of affiliate networks available on the internet. For examples, Amazon Associate is an affiliate marketing networks. Clickbank and CJ.com and digistore24. Let's start to see digistore affiliate networks. Before we start digistore24, digistore is not required approval. Now I'll show you this is not required. Let's see, go to marketplace to promote digistore24. Digistore digital products and the physical products available on this network. Let's see, for examples, computer and internet. In this niche, let's promote EP, webinar and supremacy, all affiliate tools available. If you get the link to promote now, 50% commission to promote these products. Promote now. This is our affiliate link. We can promote with a paid or a free methods. Okay, to promote, we will choose two methods. Number one, it is a paid method. A paid method is Google advertisements, Quora advertisement, and YouTube advertisement. The free method, it takes a long time to get sales and effort. The free method is with product review on YouTube and writing articles, website, or a free blogging with blogger.com, and pasting and articles your on Facebook groups. This is our today's video. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and click the like button. Thank you for watching this video.